Okay, so today I had a very dangerous idea. What if I make Minecraft using AI? Yeah, no coding, no experience, just me and AI and bad decisions. So I opened the AI like a professional developer and typed, make me a Minecraft game. That's it. Very detailed, very professional, very smart. And for a few seconds, I actually believed this would work. I was like, bro, I'm about to become a game developer. You know, then the AI gave me the code, and I was like, okay, this looks complicated, but I trusted it anyway because clearly I have no idea what I'm doing. So I copied the code, pasted it, ran it, and nothing, just a black screen. I waited. Maybe it's loading. Maybe it's thinking. Maybe it's broken. Yeah. So I went back to the AI and said, hey, it doesn't work. And the AI replied like, it didn't just ruin my life. Oh, sorry, here's the updated version. Oh, wow. Thank you. Very helpful. So I tried again, ran, and this time something appeared. A green block, just one. And I was like, wow, we have progress. This is not Minecraft. This is Block Simulator 2026. I tried to move, nothing. I clicked, nothing. The block just sat there judging me. At this point, I realized something. AI is not building Minecraft, it's building my disappointment. But I didn't give up because I'm not smart, but I'm persistent. So I told the AI, add movement, add player, make it playable. Now this is where things got interesting. I ran the new version and suddenly I could move, but not normally. I pressed forward and my character went sideways. I pressed left and it went backward. I don't know what control system this is, but it's not from this planet. It felt like I was learning how to walk again. Then I tried jumping. Big mistake, because the moment I jumped, I didn't come down. I just kept going up, higher and higher. At this point, I wasn't playing Minecraft anymore. I was playing Space Simulator. I literally left the map. I saw nothing, just sky and my bad life choices. So yeah, that didn't work. Back to the AI again. Fix gravity. Simple, clear, basic. AI said sure. Never trust sure. I ran the game again, and now gravity works. But everything else is broken. The ground is shaking, blocks are flickering, and my character is vibrating. Not moving, vibrating, like a broken phone on silent mode. At this point, I just started laughing. Because what is this? This is not Minecraft. This is Minecraft after 3 hours of sleep, but I kept going, because now it's personal. I told the AI, add trees. Simple request, right? I run the game, and the trees are floating, not on the ground, in the air, like they unlocked creative mode without me. I don't even question it anymore. I just accepted it. Yeah, floating trees makes sense. Then I tried breaking a block, and instead of breaking, it duplicated. I hit it once, now there are two. I hit it again, now there are four. Bro, I just invented infinite blocks. Forget Minecraft. This is Block Generator Simulator. At this point, the game is completely out of control. Nothing makes sense. Physics is gone, logic is gone, my sanity is gone. So I decided, final attempt. I told the AI, make a complete working Minecraft game. I even added no bugs, because clearly I needed to say that. I ran it, and for a moment, everything looked normal. Ground, sky, movement. I was like, wait, this actually works? And then everything broke again. The screen froze, the character disappeared, and the game crashed. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So yeah, after all of that, I think it's safe to say AI did not make Minecraft. It made something. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but it's not Minecraft. It's chaos, it's confusion, it's pain. But I'm not gonna lie, it was also kind of fun, because honestly, I've never seen something this broken in my life. So if you want me to try this again, maybe make an even worse version or somehow a better one, then subscribe, because clearly I'm not learning my lesson. And yeah, I'm definitely doing this again.